at the traffic lights, do a left, please. Brakes. Just brakes. Just brakes. No gear one. Catch it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Get out of their way. Don't stop here. Get us gear 3. Don't stop. Get round the bend. Think about where you can help them to get them maximum vision. Mirror signal left. Start braking. Clutch down brakes. They can see here for you, can't they? Gear 1. Off brake. Indicator off and go. Up through the gears. Right, talk to me about that.
That is terrifying.
But if you'd have stopped on the bend,
it wouldn't have helped them in any way.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Sorry to be so direct and.
No, it was fine. That's what I needed in that moment.
All right, mate. You know it's not my style. Watch that speed.
Yeah.
They're allowed. We're not. People encourage them. They shout at us. All right. But can you see there where if you had stopped on the bend, like most people would have done,
yeah,
you'd have slowed them down even more.
Then they would have had to work forever.
Also, they were just accelerating from the lights, because what colour were their lights?
Red.
So they've had to give way, haven't they? Yeah?
Yeah.
So by going that little bit further, they didn't even have to slow down for you. Yeah? It's always different in each situation, but you've got to think about it. Most people just panic and stop.
Yeah, I think I would have been fine if I didn't hear them on when I'm turning the corner.
Refocus, end of the road, do a left, please.